Okay, so let's get started. I am very excited to open this for you, but let's go over very quickly a little bit about Bolzano. Bolzano, you can purchase purses straight from their website, accessories, things like that, or you can join their subscription service. And I'm gonna read right here from the website. There are several different options for you. There's the purse subscription, which is, let's see, purse and accessories monthly, $33.95 a month for a great bag. I'm telling you, the bags are worth more than that. In the beginning, I mean, it's crazy. I don't know how she does it. Leilani is awesome. There's also the Purse Companions quarterly subscription for $24. There's the accessories monthly subscription for $18.95. There is the Purse Companions monthly subscription for $10. Then you also have the Luxe handbag, accessories, and beauty. There's a prepaid deal on that one. But you can still get the Mother's Day subscription deal if you're interested in that. I will link that video right up here. There are lots of options for you. I really recommend you go and check out this subscription service. I will leave my link for you below. If you put the term Fenwickgift in the search bar, the item will show up and you'll be able to add it to your cart. You will have needed to select your subscription of choice before you put your Fenwickgift in the cart. And then go check out as usual. So here we go. All right, it's always so nicely presented. It comes in a nice dust bag. Here you have an offer. So let's see, you deserve to be spoiled. Tag here, and then this is an option for a free cleansing brush with the purchase of a Biotherm Aqua Source moisturizing gel. It's one of those little brushy things. I don't know, I have one of those I need to use. It's really nice. From what I understand, people really love them, so go check that out. And a special $150 offer is yours free. Special men's watch offer. Receive a free men's watch valued at $150 when you prepay 3 months or more of your Luxe or handbag and accessory subscription. Awesome. So it works the same way. You search the term men's free men's watch in the search bar and add it to your cart. Awesome. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Now there's more in this bag, but look. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. It's like a pinky, it's pink, but it's a deeper pinky tan color, pinky beige color. Oh, what a great neutral bag. And I love the size. I love the unique clasp here. I love that. Pops right back in. Oh, that's awesome. The Bolzano logo here on the like it's like a purse accessory. I really like that. In here. Oh, a little shoulder strap. Oh, you guys, I love a shoulder purse. Oh, this is a nice size. This is great for travel. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, there's stuff in the purse. There's stuff in the bag. There's so many things. Oh, there's a shoulder strap. That's awesome. Okay, so on this side, we have an open compartment. I mean, this purse is fairly large but compact. I like that. There's a slider pocket in here. The inside of the purse is like a vinyl material. Very easy to clean. Oh, that's really nice. Great for my cameras. That's awesome. Okay, and then on the other side is another compartment and a zipper pocket. That's awesome. This bag is super cute with the quilting on here. Oh, I like this contemporary, but oh, I love this. Absolutely love this. What was I gonna say? I can't quite describe how, like, the style of this, but it's neutral. It will go with everything. Okay, there is stuff is falling out. Oh my goodness, you guys, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, there's that, you guys. This bag is adorable. This is definitely going on my girls trip coming up. I am receiving this dress this is gonna match perfectly. This will go with everything. It prevents you having to bring a big oversized bag. It's just very convenient. And I like that it's a shoulder strap up here. I like that a lot. Okay, all right. And I love me some big bags. Don't misunderstand, but I also love things like this. This is like a perfect in-between size. That's fantastic. Okay, so there is always a little scarf or something like that. This one is so cute with the polka dots, but look, you can put your hair, whoops, your hair back with this one. Not that way. Don't do it that way. But you can put your hair back with this one and tie it and have, well, it's not tied properly, but that's what you can do with this one. You can also use this one as a purse accessory, so you can wrap it around your bag and tie it in a cute knot. That is so the thing to do right now, so you should totally do that too. Oh, wait, what's this? Sunglasses, really? I love sunglasses. Oh, look at these. Look at these. Oh my goodness. How cute are these? Look at that. Oversized. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. These are definitely going right in my purse to be worn. I love them. They feel nice and sturdy. They're a nice quality. Oh, that's awesome. And what a great style. That's so fun. With the turtle shell, is that what it is? I don't know what that's called, but I really, really like these. Oh, they're super cute. Okay. Yep, comes with a nice bag, and you can use these bags to clean the lenses as well. Those are great. Oh my goodness. And there's even more. So we also have a pair of earrings. Oh, these are a beautiful little huggy hoop. Let me show you. Let me get a little closer. You guys, there's still more stuff in this bag. Look at those. Aren't those cute? Oh, I like those. Okay, let's put these on. I like the huggy style. These are a gold color and the perfect size hoop, not too big. I really like that. Oh, those are cute. Okay, I like that. Great weight to them. They're not heavy, but they have enough weight to them where they're nice. They hang properly. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh my goodness. Something in here like that. Oops. Oh my goodness, there's makeup in here. Okay, well, look at this. So we have Desi. This is perfect eyeliner, fully retractable. Oh, that's nice, and that's in a nice brown. This is like in a, what color is this? Oh, the color is covered up. Oh, that's nice. Nice brown eyeliner and a black eyeliner. Both colors, you know, we can all use. Excellent. I really like that. Is that black or is that a navy blue? Charcoal gray. Perfect. It's a charcoal gray, and this is a frost brown. There it is. I knew I'd find it. Excellent. I'm super excited about that. That's fantastic. And then this is like I think it's a perfume sample. It says Jean Paul Gaultier. Gaultier. I don't know, but this is an interesting shaped bottle. This is so cute. I love getting perfume like this, like sizes like this. It's great to bring with you, especially if you travel. And is this one? Yeah, this one is. Look at this. Look at that cute little. That's really cute. All right, let's open this up and give it a sniff. Wow. That's nice. It's like a spicy floral. That's nice. Let's put some on and let it dry. All right, we'll smell that in just a second. We're gonna let it dry. And then we have L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle and Firming Eye Cream. Stimuplex plus Pro Retinol A. I can't speak today. L'Oreal has great skincare. Great skincare. I've read lots of great reviews about it, so this is awesome. Alrighty. Well, I'm not going to put this on now, but this is a full size. Just smells like L'Oreal products. This is a full size eye cream. Awesome. I needed this. I'm so excited for this. You guys, this is fantastic. I'm going to leave everything in the description box linked for you. Head on over to Bolzano. Pick up your Purse Plus Accessories subscription, $33.95 a month. I mean, you can't beat that. Look at everything. That's fantastic. Or the Luxe subscription box, which I believe this is the Luxe, that comes with the addition of the makeup and accessories, you know, skincare and things like that. Fantastic. Go check it out. This is the cutest little bag ever. I love this. Great little bag. Nice weight. It's not too heavy. You guys, oh my goodness. This is super cute. All right. Thank you so, so much for watching. Go check out Bolzano. I'll leave my link below, or leave a link below. Be sure to put in FENWICGift and get your free gift, and then come back and let me know what it is, okay? Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.